Hello Capricorn, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I am here today with your July 1st through the 15th love guidance. Thank you all so much for being here. I appreciate you for being here and coming in and hearing what's up with your love life. So if you guys are new, I hope that you resonate with this. Hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go. In this video, we are going to be discussing two things: you and your person's feelings and the way you both see each other. This is aimed toward a love interest that you may have, someone that you may want to be with, and hopefully this helps you understand the connection. Now, if you want to go deeper after this and you want to know more information, there will be a link down below in the description box to get an exclusive video that you can watch as many times as you want with the extended version of this. And in the extended, we're going to reveal some secrets and some information that you may not know about this connection. Also, what you guys' real intentions are for this connection, as well as this person, and what is a good solution to help you and like what you should do at this time. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So Capricorn, your feelings about this person, first half of the month. This could be a new love for some of you, or you may be trying to call in a new love into your life. You could be wanting to manifest a new connection with somebody, or maybe you're just waiting for new love to come in. Maybe you're not really putting in any efforts or work to do it, but you're just kind of like waiting for something new to come. Either way, I feel an energy of something new that you desire. So you could be calling in a soulmate. Yeah, you could be in this energy of calling in a soulmate that you really feel like it's time for you to have in your life. So you have a different type of mindset during this time. It does seem like a dreamy consciousness and I know that that's an interesting thing to put together, right? Because when you're conscious, you're awake and you're aware. But when you're dreaming, you're in a sleep state. But you can daydream. So dreamy consciousness is very similar to a daydream. And it seems like what I mean by this is that you are aware of people being into you, interested in you. You are aware that people may want to date you. You are aware that you may be attracting attention right now. However, you're in a dreamy state because it doesn't seem real. It doesn't seem like your reality. It doesn't seem like this is what's really happening. Even though you know this, and even though you feel this spiritually, and you may even be hearing through others that other people are interested in you, but it's so far-fetched for you right now because you're not seeing people physically show up to give you these offers and make time for you, and you're not really physically dating or going anywhere or seeing anyone. It's like, I have to see it to believe it. And that's what I mean by that. So you're wanting more information right now, possibly about who's interested in you, or maybe about manifesting things into reality that you want to happen. So right now you could find yourself in overdrive working on a love connection. Either it's you're single, you have no one at all, you don't have any prospects, but you're working on manifesting it. You could be praying more and more about this. For others of you, you do have a person that you're interested in, and you could be also wishing and praying for someone that you do love or that you do want to be with. But I do get a sense that you are really focused on this. Also, some of you could be indulging in things that make you happy or feel good. It could be anything from a nice slice of cheesecake on down to getting your nails and your hair done. Things that you love, whatever makes you feel good, that's what you could be focused on as well. Just make sure that you're not overdoing things also because you're bored, or because you don't see any action moving in your love life right now. But I do feel like someone that does love you or has interest in you will be expressing an honest expression of love to you soon. So look out for that honest expression of how they feel. Now, your person of interest and how they feel about you, Capricorn. This is someone who is really glad to have you by their side. This person is into you. They could be into your body. That could be something that they're craving right now. They do want to touch you. This person, I feel, wants to really help you get through something right now. So you could be going through a rough patch or a tough patch right now in your life, and they really want to help you get through that. I feel like they want to be there for you. They want to lend a hand to help you. They could be offering you advice and telling you what to do in a situation. But this is a love connection, I feel, that can last for a very long time, or for a longer time than expected. Okay, whoever this person is that you are meeting, you probably didn't think that you guys would meet each other and then it will last this long, or it will last long in the future. But I think that something turns out to be a long-term connection, or something that has long-term potential with somebody in particular. So yeah, I think that this person checks off your box, because the expectations for what they want in a partner, I feel like you have it. I feel like you just do it for this person. And I think that that's why they want you, and that's why their eyes are on you right now, because you have certain things about you that they really can work with. And not only can work with, but they really think that some of these qualities that you have is exactly what they wanted in a partner, because what they see in you, they kind of see in them. And it's some things that you do. It may not be everything. It may not be all the things, but it is definitely some strong qualities about you that they see that makes them really interested in being with you, because it's kind of like you're them in their mind, how they see themselves and how they view themselves. You're like the feminine version of what they see in them. In there, or maybe you're the voice in their head. Maybe they don't speak about certain things, but hearing you speak about it is like, this is perfect. I don't have to say anything, because this person says exactly what I wanted to say. So it's like you're their voice, if that makes sense, and the voice in their head, and which means that you guys meet at the mind and you have a lot of similarities on a mental level. So this person could share a compatible, or maybe even the same or similar Neptune, Mercury, third house as you. Could be compatible signs, or probably identical in some of those areas. Okay, so how do you see this person, Capricorn? You guys see this person as someone who has an ancient soul, right? A person who seems to be wiser beyond their years, right? Wise beyond their years. This is a person who's so wise compared to other people that you know. They're wiser than people older than them. They're wiser than people younger than them. They're wiser than people the same age as them. They have a lot of keen knowledge and abilities, and so you see the strength of this person's mind and their intellect, and you just find them to be a rare soul. And you may feel like this person has been here before. They're an old soul. They have a lot of knowledge stored within them. This is also someone who you may see is a reincarnated soul. Like, this is a person who was definitely here before, had a big past life, and they're back, right? So that's how you may see this individual. You may also see them in a leadership position where they're running things in a world where males or men mainly dominate and have all this power and all this and all that. You see this person in that role. So if this is a female that you're interested in, then you see them in a male dominated career field where they are running the show. If this is a male that you are dealing with, then you find them to be someone who is successful and who does hold a high position in society, but they're not controlling and they're not trying to manipulate. They actually have a healthier way of being assertive and expressing their creativity through their work. So it's something that you can deal with because they're not a controlling or a manipulative person. So this is someone who has a purpose, and you feel like they found their purpose, and that's how you see them, Capricorn. How do they see you? This is someone who sees you definitely tapped into your motherly side, your nurturing side. They can see the mother in you. They could also want you to be the mother of their child. If you're not already, then that's what they want. If you are, then they just adore you in your motherhood role. Okay, so either way, they do find you to be very attractive. They find your body and your physical appearance to be very attractive. They could be wanting to get you pregnant. I'm getting a big message about pregnancy here. So for a lot of Capricorns out there, this person could be wanting to get you pregnant, or you may already be pregnant, or this person is desiring to get you pregnant, because it's something about your body. It's like, you're supposed to have my child, like that kind of energy. Or maybe if it's not about pregnancy, then it's just this person's attracted to your curves or your body. They could be attracted to certain things on your body. This person also sees that your heart chakra is open. Like, you're so compassionate and you're so loving and you're starting to open up your heart more. But the only way that you've gotten to this point where you're opening up so much is because you've already had to suffer a lot, and you've experienced so much pain in your life. And as a matter of fact, when they see you sad, or when they see that you are experiencing some type of hardship, heartaches, or pain, they know that you're suffering from something, and it has to do with something dealing with the mother. That's what I'm getting here, is something dealing with the mother. It could be your mother or motherhood. So I don't mean to trigger anyone, but if you connect to that message, then this person knows about this. And it's something about a missed opportunity to be a mother for somebody. So another Capricorn is something about your own birth, biological mother. For another person is something about you finding out that you're pregnant, or being pregnant and having hormonal changes that makes you emotional. But something about a mother figure, a mother, the word mother, is something about this. And this person knows that you've endured a lot of suffering and pain because of this area. And when that happens and they see you in this way, this person wants to try to like help you balance out what you're thinking in your mind about the situation and what you're feeling in your heart about the situation. This is someone who wants to come in and bring in that balance that they know you need when you feel like this. So this person is like wanting you to allow your mind to be illuminated with new clarity and new inspiration about the entire situation. They want you to see things clearly about whatever affects you or whatever is happening with you. They really do care about you, and it seems like it could be something that's personal to you that this person is seeing, and they really care about you and they want you to feel better. So this is like a very, very supportive person, and they care more about you than you think. That's what I'm getting. So let's go deeper. If you want to go deeper, get the extended. The link is down below in the description box. Thank you so much. God bless.